In today's video, we're diving into WooCommerce security on Bluehost so you can protect your store, your customers, and your income. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and this guide is going to show you the most important ways to keep your online store safe. When you launch a WooCommerce store, you're stepping into real online business, and real businesses need real protection. Most beginners rush through setup. They pick a host, install WooCommerce, and start adding products, and then they hope that everything will be fine. But hope really is not a plan. These days, attacks on online stores are so much more common than ever. So this video is going to help you understand exactly what to do so problems never surprise you later. So let's start off with the basics. What Bluehost and WooCommerce are. So Bluehost is a website hosting company. Hosting is a service that stores your website files and makes them visible on the internet. When someone types your domain name into a browser, Bluehost is what delivers the pages to them. Think of Bluehost as the house for your website. And then WooCommerce is a plugin inside WordPress. So WordPress gives you the website, and WooCommerce adds shopping features. It creates product pages, a cart page, checkout pages, and customer account pages. WooCommerce is what turns a normal blog or website into a real store. And when you run WooCommerce on Bluehost, you get a very beginner-friendly way to sell online. You can manage products, prices, shipping, and payments all from your domain. Customers can pay directly through PayPal or Stripe, and that's amazing for new owners. But that setup also means you're handling real customer data. Real customer data must be protected. Now, Bluehost offers built-in tools like free SSL certificates, automatic backups, and optional malware protection. So we're going to talk about how to connect all of that together so you can keep everything safe. Now, let's talk about the big question. Why does this even matter? So when a WooCommerce store lives on the internet, it becomes a target. This is not personal, it's just the reality. Hackers, bots, and bad scripts scan the web every minute looking for weak websites. Beginners are often the easiest targets because they don't really know what to do yet. And security matters because your WooCommerce store handles three very sensitive things. First, it handles payments. That means credit card numbers and billing addresses. If payment data is stolen, customers can lose real money. You can lose trust, and you can lose access to payment processors entirely. Second, it handles customer accounts. That means emails, usernames, and passwords. People reuse passwords across many sites, so if logins on your store are attacked, that can spread harm far beyond your website. And third, it handles your actual business files and databases. The database is where WooCommerce stores orders. Orders are the lifeblood of your shop. If that data is damaged or encrypted by an attack, your store can stop working overnight. So this is why Bluehost security tools exist. SSL backups and malware protection create simple layers that keep your store running safely. So before we dive into the tips, I want to clearly explain what these protections actually accomplish. So starting off with the SSL certificates. SSL certificates create encrypted connections. That encryption is required for online checkout. It changes your site to HTTPS and adds the lock icon in browsers. SSL protects data transfer so hackers can't easily read private information. It also signals to shoppers that your store is legitimate and trustworthy. Next is automatic backups. So backups create saved restore points. They copy your entire website and WooCommerce database. This is going to protect beginners from both human mistakes and real attacks. Backups mean you can roll back the clock on your website if anything goes wrong. Without backups, even small problems can become disasters. Next is malware protection. So malware protection scans your website's files. It looks for infected plugins, harmful code, and bad uploads. These days, regularly scanning helps you detect problems early and clean them up before they spread. This is like having antivirus for your store server. These three protections are the heart of what we're going to talk about. Now, let's put this all together so you can put this into real action. So first off, you want to enable free SSL immediately. These days, SSL is not optional for WooCommerce stores. The first thing any beginner should do on Bluehost is make sure SSL is active from day one. What this does is protect every form, login, and checkout page on your WooCommerce store. It creates instant trust with browsers, it allows payment processors to work, and it keeps your entire site loading over HTTPS instead of HTTP. If you take payments on WooCommerce, SSL should be your very first step. Step number 2 is to make sure every page forces HTTPS. Once SSL is active, WordPress must fully commit to HTTPS mode. What it does is prevent mixed content errors and insecure checkout warnings. Your store should always load securely from the homepage to the final order confirmation page. This is going to keep your secure connection consistent across your entire website. Step number 3 is to use automatic backups as real insurance. So backups protect you from almost everything. WooCommerce stores change daily. Orders, customers, and products are stored in that database. Automatic backups on Bluehost mean copies are created for you even if you forget. What this does is allow you to restore your store fast after maybe a plugin update problem, a broken theme, human mistake, or even a real attack. Every beginner WooCommerce owner should really rely on Bluehost automatic backups or a second WordPress backup plugin. 2 backups are always better than 1. Step number 4 is to export WooCommerce orders for extra peace of mind. It's really smart to keep your own personal CSV export of orders, customer lists, product, and product catalogs. What this does is keep you in full control of your business data no matter what happens to your website later. This is going to help beginners stay organized and protected if they ever migrate away from Bluehost as well. Step number 5 is to keep WordPress and WooCommerce updated often. Updates are part of security, and outdated plugins are the number one way hackers enter WooCommerce stores. What this does is close old security holes and keep your store compatible with Bluehost servers and browsers. You should really make a simple habit on updating WordPress core, WooCommerce, and every active plugin. Clean, updated software always beats outdated, crowded software. Step number 6 is to remove plugins that you don't need. Less is safer. Beginners often experiment with page builders, extra themes, and random plugins. What this does is reduce the number of scripts on your server and reduce the risk at the same time. Make sure you delete any unused themes so WooCommerce stays light and safe. Step number 7 is to use a WordPress firewall plugin. So Bluehost protects the server side, but beginners should also protect WordPress itself. What this does is block brute force login attempts and suspicious IP addresses. Layered protection is key. Bluehost malware scanning plus WordPress firewall scanning, together they're going to protect the application and the server. Step number 8 is to use staging sites. So before big changes, staging is one of the best kept secrets. What this does is let beginners test updates and changes safely before pushing them live. If anything breaks on staging, your real WooCommerce store stays untouched. Step number 9 is to use strong passwords everywhere. Security is not only tools, it's habits. Strong passwords plus 2-step login reduce brute force attacks on WordPress admin panels. What this does is keep control in the right hands and protect Bluehost WooCommerce files from beginner mistakes. Long, unique passwords should be used for Bluehost accounts, WordPress admin, and WooCommerce administrator users. I highly recommend using something called 1Password to help manage all of these passwords. Step number 10 is to run regular malware scans. So malware scans are essential. What this does is detect harmful files hiding inside plugins or uploads. Regular scanning prevents blacklisting and keeps WooCommerce stores healthy. If Bluehost alerts you to malware, act quickly to quarantine and clean files before they spread. Okay, now that you understand how to enhance your security on Bluehost, let's talk about some pros and cons. So using Bluehost and WooCommerce together has so many positives. The biggest positive is ease of use for beginners. Free SSL certificates are simple to enable, automatic backups require almost no technical skill, and malware scans give nervous beginners peace of mind. Another positive is centralized control, and Bluehost remains one of the most beginner-friendly ways to host WooCommerce stores. There are also some negatives to consider and just to keep in mind. So some advanced malware protection options may cost some extra money. Backups still do require occasional check-ins to confirm that they're working, and WooCommerce depends on plugins, and plugins always add some risk no matter what host a beginner chooses. Another negative is a learning curve. The first time beginners open Bluehost dashboards and menus can feel a bit overwhelming. Overall, the pros definitely outweigh the cons, but beginners must still put in a bit of real effort to maintain security. Now that you understand, let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. If you want to get the best price possible, we do have a link down in the description below. Once you click that link, you can go ahead and click Get Started Now, and it will bring you to all of the different options. So you can save up to 70% on the starter plan. That is $2.99 per month. With this, you get 10 websites. It's ideal for 40K visits per month. You get the free CDN, you get the free SSL, free malware scanning, web application firewall, DDoS protection, and weekly website backups. So that is the starter plan. Then we've got the business plan, which is saving you 57%, which brings it to just $5.99 per month. With this, you get more websites, more storage, and it's ideal for more visits per month. Security features, you get everything in the starter plan, but you also get domain privacy free first year and malware detection / removal. So you get some extras right here. Then we've got the e-commerce essentials, which is $13.99 per month. So that's saving you 36%. You get everything in the business plan, but you get the commerce tools as well. With the security, you get everything that is in the business plan as well. So definitely choose a plan that best fits your needs. They also do have a 30-day money back guaranteed. So if you you don't love it and you don't feel like it's a good fit for you before those 30 days are up, you can go ahead and get your money back. So it really is risk-free. Now, is this for you? If you're building your first website and your first WooCommerce store, this setup is a really smart fit. SSL, automatic backup, and malware protection are essential layers, and Bluehost offers these in each of their plans. If you sell products online, Bluehost really does give you practical tools that make security achievable for new owners. This may not be ideal if you plan to run a very large custom WooCommerce store immediately. It's also not ideal if you want the cheapest possible hosting plan and refuse any security add-ons. But these days, real protection does require some effort from beginners, but for normal first-time store owners who want a grounded, reliable foundation for WooCommerce safety, Bluehost and WooCommerce remains a very practical option. I know how stressful it can be trying to figure out security for your WooCommerce store on your own. Most beginners just want to build their first website and make sales, but real sales requires real trust. And that's why the SSL certificates, automatic backups, and malware scanning are going to help you create that trust. If you want to check out Bluehost yourself, again, don't forget to use our link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping online store owners grow faster and sell more with simple tools and clear steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.